You have to cross a river with a fox, a chicken, and grain. You can only take one thing at a time. You cannot leave the fox alone with the chicken, or the chicken alone with the grain. How do you get everyone across the river safely? You cannot leave the chicken alone with the grain. The chicken will eat the grain. You cannot leave the fox alone with the chicken. The fox will eat chicken. How do you get everyone across the river safely? Take the chicken across the river and leave it on the other side. Return alone. Take the fox across the river and leave it on the other side. Return with the chicken. Take the grain across the river and leave it on the other side. Return alone. Take the chicken across the river.